The world of model railways has to be one of the most well-known hobbies since its inception that delight both young children and the serious model rail enthusiast at every level and in every corner of the world. Throughout this program, we travel to meet a wide variety of hobbyists, the manufacturers, and railway exhibitions as we look behind the scenes of modelling in miniature and in larger scales. Be it in the garden shed, the back garden, or a passenger rail network running through forests and seaside resorts. Join us as we see how a model railway is constructed from start to finish, how accessories and features come to life with animatronics and effects. We highlight photography from modelling magazines that they have featured over many years, and much, much more. Probably one of the most well-known names connected with the hobby is Hornby, and despite the trials and tribulations of business challenges through post-war years and economic uncertainties, the company celebrated its 100th anniversary in 2020. We caught up with Marketing Director Simon Kohler.
Model railways, of course, when people talk about Hornby, they do think about trains. But it's a whole cornucopia of different brands and different interests. It's Scale Electric, it's Airfix, it's Humbrol, it's Corgi, and then we have lots of other international brands as well. It's a company that is passionate about its brands and passionate about its products. We lost the name Triang, we were able to get that back. And Triang Railways and Hornby just linked together. It's like, I don't know, apple pie and cream. So, Hornby, to me, it's in the blood. You cut me, I'll bleed red.
While it often starts with a humble train set laid out on the bedroom floor, in time, a specific area may be set aside and turned into the railway room, loft or garden shed, and for some, the garden itself. When it comes to railway modelling, what better than to join a gathering of like-minded enthusiasts of all ages, skills, talent and resources. The Humble Model Railway Club. We went behind the scenes of two leading Scottish modelling clubs. Chairman Ron Munro of the Perth Model Railway Group explains the requirements behind exhibiting a model layout.